Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I want to show you some simple tips and tricks in Microsoft Teams that can actually help you on your daily activities. So let's say you use Microsoft Teams on a daily basis to actually communicate with your colleagues or with friends. So let me show you some actually some improvement and some of the tips and some of the tricks you can actually use when communicating. So let's say you can see right now I'm chatting with John. This is the account of Kelvin Johnson. This is actually my account is Kelvin Johnson, and you can see I'm actually chatting with John who is online. So when John tells me just say hello, send me a message, you can see that John just sent me a message. What I can actually do is I can actually, if for example you have different communications here with different users, what I can do is I can actually pop up this message of John. You can see I can actually pop up this message. Let me just close this. So if I just take my mouse to this John name here with the communication of John, you can see I have the option to actually pop up this account, this communication with John. So let me just pop out chat. And here you can see we have a different Windows Vista where we can actually use to communicate to John. So right now I can decide to just start communicating to John. Hello John. So here you can see we can just start communicating with John. But mind you, what has actually improved with Microsoft Teams is actually to reply to a specific message. In the past, you cannot actually reply to a message. If someone sent you a message, you can only just reply to the general message. You type a new message and you just say hi, you reply back. But right now, if for example I want to actually reply to this message, say I got your message, I want to reply, just need to click on these more options. And here you can see we have the option called reply. So if I just press reply and I say thanks and I hit enter, you can see that I'm actually replying to that specific message. That's this specific message that John sent to me. This is just like a message you can actually do to WhatsApp. This is actually a new improvement in the Microsoft Teams. And also you can see if I click on the more options, you can see we can save this message. We can mark as unread. If I click, you can see the message has just been marked as last read. So also if I mark as unread, or I can share to Outlook. I also have the more option to actually create a task from this message. I can add a comment. I can create an issue, so we can decide to add a comment to this message as well. You can see which it gives me the option to actually add this zero cloud, but let me just cancel that. And also if I go here, if I start typing a message, you can see we have some other options we have here. For example, I can have the emoji, the GIF, or we have also with the extra options here, that is messaging extension. So if I click on that, you can see we have find an app. I can decide to just click on YouTube, and here you can see it says add. So search for a video on YouTube, share a YouTube video with other members of the channel. Simply search for the video you want to paste into URL. So just click add. Here you can see it says enter a search term. So let me just, for example, enter Kelvin Johnson and see what happens. Here you can see it starts giving me some options of Kelvin, and if I scroll down, you can see I just see this was actually one of my video. So it says learn how to create a group in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So let me just click on that, and here we go. You can see right now I can actually just add this YouTube video to the chat communication and send it to John. Here we go, and John is going to actually receive that message. So let me just bring the screen here. You can see this is actually the browser of John I'm communicating with. Here you can see John Wood. And right now, if I go back, let me just remove this. You can see that now John can actually click this message. Let me just go back again to the browser, and here John can actually click this message, and automatically it's going to take John to this YouTube video. So let me just agree to that. So you can see it's going to take John to this video automatically. So this actually, we also have some other options here as well. You can see we can actually look for an app, or we say go to more apps, which will take you to the more apps options. You can see we have the different categories which you can set for the different apps you actually want to. For example, we have the Zoom, we just have, like, for example, I can go to the stocks. If I click that, it's going to say add. Here we go. We can decide to actually just start coming. I think that didn't go well. Let me see. Okay, yeah, here we go. Here you can see the stock, so we can actually enter the stock symbol and then send it to John. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like my channel, and also leave a comment below and I'll reply to you as quick as possible. Thank you once more, and hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related videos. Bye.